Societal sculptures fade away like water paint on a lean canvas. The mixture of colors makes me anxious, but I swear, I know what pure grace is. We live in a world where the mindset is money. You kill bees, but ask for honey now. Kill what has the power to create and sustain. I notice we love to complain about pain, but no one mentions the thrill in the gain. The belly of the beast is no stranger to scars. Holds an undeniable hunger, and sometimes I question why the only way to feed the beast is fight violence with more violence. Enticing fire to seek prey and annihilate, cause chaos but expect silence. Forced compliance, half these people ain't never felt the purest ray of sunshine. A natural remedy for the blues, making poetry exist on the soil. Showing me a glimpse every morning, nothing but green, animals roaming free, our air is clean. We don't fear the spirited flames of fire, we learn how to move with the grace of water. Maybe start swimming a little stronger, there's no need to tread the surface. You allow your body to move with the current, there's no bullets devouring the skin of any living being. Guns loaded, cigarette smoking, finger on the trigger. Job done, waters the bullet with tears and grows a man out of that gun. Bullets for blood, angry man bleeds a lot.